Ever wondered how to design an effective workout split? It's no secret that a well-structured workout plan is a cornerstone of any fitness journey. But how do you decide which exercises to do and when? Let's dive into the details with a balanced 4-day workout split that targets different muscle groups while allowing for adequate recovery. Day 1 is all about the upper body push. Start with 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps of the bench press, followed by 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps of the overhead press. Next, perform the incline dumbbell press and dumbbell lateral raises, each for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Finish your upper body push day with tricep dips and tricep rope pushdown, each for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Day 2 takes us to the lower body. Squats and deadlifts kick off the workout with 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps each. Bulgarian Split Squats and Romanian Deadlifts follow, each for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Leg press and calf raises close out the day, with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps and 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps respectively. Day 3 is a day of rest or active recovery. Consider engaging in light activities like walking, yoga, or stretching to aid recovery. Day 4 brings us back to the upper body, this time with a pull focus. Pull-ups or chin-ups start the workout with 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Bent over rows follow, also for 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Seated cable rows and face pulls come next, each for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. The day wraps up with barbell or dumbbell bicep curls and hammer curls, each for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Now remember these important points. Always ensure a proper warm-up before starting each workout. Focus on progressive overload by gradually increasing weights or reps over time. Listen to your body and adjust the volume and intensity if needed based on recovery and performance. Adequate nutrition and sleep are crucial for recovery and muscle growth. And it's always a good idea to consult a fitness professional to tailor the program to your specific needs and goals. So there you have it. A 4-day workout split that can help you reach your fitness goals in a balanced and sustainable way. Remember, the journey to fitness is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Take your time, be consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process.